Hey, my name is Tobias Siegel and I will be demonstrating how to set up our disposable limb bag for the arm, also called our medium limb bag, while using our O3 Elite dual ozone generator. You can substitute an O3 Elite single or mini ozone generator for the same setup if you do not already have the dual. PromoLife also offers a disposable limb bag for the leg called the large limb bag. Now, before you can begin to set up your disposable limb bag, please make sure your oxygen source is hooked up. If you are unsure how to do this, we have two videos on how to connect oxygen sources to our generators. One is for connecting oxygen tanks and the other is for connecting oxygen concentrators. To view them, please visit these links. To begin, first make sure you have all the accessories needed. Those include an O3 Elite dual ozone generator, tubing with a check valve attached to 5 feet of silicone tubing, a disposable limb bag, either large or medium one Velcro strap, and an ozone port fitting with barbed connectors. First, you will need to attach the tubing with the check valve and attach tubing to the ozone out port of your ozone generator. Now, you will need to install your ozone fitting in your disposable limb bag. First, remove the nut from the lower lock fitting. Then you will need to poke a small hole in the bag where you want the ozone to go in. Make sure that the hole is not larger than the threaded end of the fitting. From the outside of the bag, push the threaded end of the lower lock fitting into the hole. Then, from the inside, secure the nut to the lower lock fitting to keep it in place. To use the bag, place your arm inside and secure the open end of the Velcro strap. You will then need to attach the ozone tubing from your ozone generator to the fitting on the bag. Now, you can set your ozone generator to the desired settings and begin running your ozone into the bag. The suggested settings for this setup is to have an oxygen flow rate of 1/8 liters per minute with an ozone concentration from 20 to 40 gamma. When you are finished with your ozone treatment, it is always important to turn off your ozone generator first. You will need to let the oxygen continue to run for 30 seconds and then turn off your oxygen source. A couple of notes to add are that each bag can be used 5 to 10 times depending on the ozone concentration and duration. Also, remember to remove the fitting before disposing of the bag so it can be reused. If you require any other assistance on how to set up your disposable limb bags, please call 888-742-3404.